Namaste. I'm Dinesh Guruvacharya, second generation AP correspondent in Kathmandu, Nepal.
Hi, my name is Mariam Pham.
Hi, I'm Deepa Bharat.
My name is Chinedu Asadu.
Hi, my name's Nick Perry.
This is Giovanna Dell'Orto. Last July, I traveled with photojournalist Rodrigo Abt to southern Chile to investigate the spiritual worldview of the indigenous Mapuche healers and leaders by two different rivers that are sacred to them, the Truful and the Pilmaican.
Nepal's most sacred river has now turned into the most polluted one. Raw sewage and factory waste has been directly pumped into the waters for years. Garbage dumped on the banks of the river. I grew up next to the river, where we played on the crystal sands and jumped in the clear waters. Decades later, the water has turned dark in color and has a really bad odor.
So for this project, I traveled to the banks of the Jordan River. It's revered by Christians the world over as the site of baptism of Jesus. And yet, while it's really rich in spirituality and symbolism for so many, the Lower Jordan particularly is poor in water and suffering from pollution.
AP video journalist Jesse Wardarski and I went out last summer to report on the Columbia River. What we found was it's not really about how the river is sacred to them. It's not like a church, temple, or cathedral, but it's kind of like the life force that connects them to the Supreme and connects them with one another.
So the river we covered here was the Oshun Oshobo Sacred River in southern Nigeria. And we found that it's very culturally significant to the people. But then more importantly, we found that the river is being threatened by pollution from miners and other locals in the area.
My story was about the Whanganui River, which is the first river in the world to be granted personhood status, which means that it has the legal rights of a human being, basically. This was done in a settlement with indigenous Maori, who've always considered the river very sacred and very important to their way of life.
I couldn't have asked for a better team to share this honor with. Thank you so much for the recognition of our work.
I'd like to thank our editors David Crary, Ollie Meyer, and Peter Orsi.
I hope our stories were able to bring some awareness and help in stopping more damages to this river, and also somehow help them get back to their former glories. Thank you.